Good evening. Welcome back to another Something by the Weather Center information update. This is Winter Storm Scott. Right now, the snow is moving into our area. As you can see, it's moving into most of Massachusetts and southeastern New Hampshire, basically anywhere points south of the Lakes region and south of Woodstock, Vermont, and most of northeastern New York. Right now, the snow is starting to cover New Hampshire, and the totals right now are kind of still being looked at. Right now, they're at around 7 for the expected amount, but it could be anywhere from 5 to 8 inches. We're not sure. We know it's going to be more wet, but so we're probably going to have a delay for schools, or some schools may cancel depending on the road conditions. Right now, the current watches and warnings, they have us under a winter weather advisory. The winter storm warning could move more to the west. Right now, they have it at more of the coast, where it's going to be more snow and going to be heavier bands. Right now, they're looking at from 3 to 4 a.m. is a chance of snow bands going from 1 to 2 inches per hour. That depends on where you are and how cold it can get. Right now, it's supposed to really move out of our area basically by 11 or 12 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. And then it's going to be gone by the end of the day with some lingering snow showers in the evening and the afternoon. So right now the warnings, not really too major right now. It's just winter weather advisory. So right now it actually is snowing in our area at the moment. It's going to be snowing until around, like I said before, 9 a.m. It's been snowing for around about a half an hour, I would assume. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. info@locaforecastingcenter.com. Right now, our website is undergoing maintenance. So we're just testing out some new website designs that we're going to be going through. Because our old website is not responding anymore to our editor, unfortunately. So we will be working on that in the future. Right now, we're currently working on that, but we have to put that aside right now because we're covering this. And so this is going to be a nor'easter, and not as strong wind impacts because there's not going to be as strong winds. It's still going to be as a nor'easter because the winds are going to be coming out of the northeast. The storm is going to go right up the coast, right about here. So this is where the heavier snow will be, from where basically right here at the end of New Hampshire towards southern New York, or southern Maine, and points south of Massachusetts. You can see some of the heavier snow bands are starting to move in. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on our Facebook page, Twitter, or email. Again, I will list all of those in the description below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions as well. So, again, thank you guys for watching.